Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to try to solve another lab from WebSecurityAcademy. Today we are in the server-side template injection, and the lab is um, server-side template injection in an unknown language with a documented exploit. So let's access the lab, let it warm up, and let's read the description. So this lab is vulnerable to server-side template injection. To solve the lab, identify the template engine and find a documented exploit online that you can use to execute arbitrary code, then delete the moral.txt file from Carlos' home directory. Alright, so let's go to the lab. I have my burp is already running, so let's use just proxy. And let's explore what do we have here. So there are no other buttons except the home button. So let's view details from something. Okay, so unfortunately this product is out of stock, and here we got a message. So that's probably the place of the vulnerability, because if we look at other products, there's just a simple query. So let's go here. Okay, we got a message, and let's go to burp, and let's grab the request. This is this one. Get Great, so let's send it to the repeater with Control R, and let's send it again. And somewhere over here we're going to have this. Okay, so here's in the 53rd line we got the message. All right, so let's see. Let's go to our browser once again, and let's look for something like payload. All the things. This is really useful. Repository, GitHub repository. I'm going to save it. Yeah. Okay, and let's go. Let's scroll down to the server-side template injection. And there are some payloads. If we go to the intruder, there are some payloads that could help us. So let's see. Let's just grab. We could automate this with Verb Suite, and you know what? Actually, we can do this. Let's send it without this. Let's send it to intruder with Control I. Let's get over here, and here we're going to select the place we want to insert our payload, and let's load. Or actually, let's copy everything from here. So let's go raw, and we can copy everything, and let's paste it here. Alright, we got our payloads. Unfortunately, this is the community edition, so this is going to slow down really much, but maybe it's going to work. Maybe we're going to find something. Okay, so let's just click start the attack. Yeah, this is the community edition, so functionalities are disabled and attacks are time throttled. Alright. Where's our intruder? It's here. Okay, and we gotta look at status codes, of course, because something here is like working, and the length. There's some lengths that are probably not working correctly, but let's see what happens if we try this one. And let's try the response. It was in the 53rd line. Okay, it's the alt, so it didn't work. And let's look at something else. Or actually, you know what? Let's look here. Let's take a look here. And the response. There's an internal server error. Alright, look at that. So what do we have? It looks like, okay, it's Node.js. Let's render this. Internal server error. Node modules, handlebars, handlebar comparser, new error, parson error. ID string, number, boolean, undefined data got invalid. Okay. Handlebars, ticked. Parse, handlebars environment. Op Linux, script is context, wrapper. Alright, so we know something. Maybe something's going to work actually here. Okay, so let's forget about it for a moment, and let's try searching those payloads one more time. Let's go to the server-side template injection and just quickly look at those. If there's, I mean, look, there's JavaScript and the handlebars. You know, because we saw the error from here, let's say, and there's something like handlebars. So that's probably the the payloads, all the things. That's probably the template language we're looking for. So it should work. It should be working with those just brackets. I think everything worked. Something like this should work. It didn't. Yeah, those should work. Yeah, it shouldn't. Right. So we can. I think we can close it. Discard. Right. And let's go to the repeater. Let's send it again. And let's see whether it's going to work like this, or we should probably get the error, right? 7 times 7 and send. We got the error, alright. So there's the handlebars. Maybe we could look for the for a version. There's something like 19.8.1. So let's look. Let's check the browser. Come on, only works in handlebar version fixed in. Let's look at that. What do we have here? Affected versions. Here are the affected versions. And maybe it's going to work. As a string. LSLA. Yeah, maybe let's simply try it. Let's copy this. Let's go to burp. And let's paste it here. I hope it's going to work. I'm not sure about it. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work, but let's try anyway. Yeah. Oh, it ran out. Have I messed it up? No, the host is here. Or actually, no, we could paste it without the formatting. Maybe it's okay, it's not working. So let's see whether it's going to work without those spaces and tabs. Oops. Okay, let's quickly just delete everything from here. Did I mess something up? No, I don't think so. Okay, let's keep going. I think there's another. No, it's not. Should it stay like that? I don't know. Okay, delete this. Delete this. I think I messed something up. No, I'm not sure. We're going to see in a minute, right? Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. And this. And this also. Let's go like that. We could try to actually oh wait, as it should stay. Okay, we can actually encode it. You will encode it. Encode key characters. Okay, let's send it. Alright, look at that. We found an exploit, and we know that there's this file moral.txt. So what we are asked to do, let's go back. Instead of lsla, we know that we are in this directory, right? So instead of this, let's just simply write rm, so remove this file moral .txt, and once again encode it. You will encode it. It's here, send. Alright, I think we are done. So let's go back. Alright, so we've solved the lab. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.